glad you could join us aboard the Curiosity. We're heading toward Gale Crater, and we're making plenty of stops along the way. There's so much to see. Road trip! We'll be gone a long time, 1,200 days to be exact, but it will be so exciting that I bet the time flies by. Okay, are you buckled in? Now, all you have to do is sit back and relax as we head for Gale Crater and all of the other amazing places we will see along the way. Look, over there. Those are the blast marks that were left by the descent vehicle. Wow, I bet you've never seen anything quite like that. Oh, don't worry about not having a camera. One of the cool things about Curiosity is that she has so many cameras, we won't miss a thing. All systems are go. Let's head down the slope toward Glen Elg. This is what I mean about all of Curiosity's cameras. She's taking a panoramic view of all of this area and the sides of Gale Crater. Seriously, she doesn't miss a thing. Let's stop here and do some rock drilling. Time to leave Yellowknife Bay. Until next time, Yellowknife Bay. Do you realize that most of this time we have been driving in auto navigation mode? I don't know how I feel about that, but so far, so good. Feast your eyes on Mount Sharp, right there, straight ahead. Truly magnificent. Now that we've been in auto navigation mode for so long, I'm starting to feel safer with it. I'll refer to it as Auto Nav because it sounds so cool. Next stop, Panther Mountain. I'm really hoping that there aren't any panthers there. And after that, Cooperstown. Perfect time for a photo shoot. Oh wow, we've been driving a long time, and the rocky terrain has taken a toll on the wheels of Curiosity. I wonder if AutoNav will choose smoother ground. See what I mean? Look at those wheels. The rocks are beautiful to look at, but the poor wheels! I'm glad that the rover needed to take sand samples of this place. I enjoyed the closer look, and she appears to be driving very cautiously across Dingo Gap. I'm loving this AutoNav. Onward to Moonlight Valley. Do you think there's really moonlight shining into it? Fun fact, did you know that driving backwards would reduce the wheel wear on the rover? So that's what we've been doing, driving backwards for a bit to lessen the wheel wear. Just look at those wheels and all that damage, but getting to see all of this amazing terrain is worth it. Case in point, this outcrop called Square Top wasn't easy to reach, but the three-dimensional NavCam photo is a great reward. We've arrived at the Kimberly and another awesome panoramic shot. Curiosity doesn't miss a beat with all of these pictures. She's the perfect tour guide. If you look ahead, you can see Mount Remarkable. Isn't it, rather remarkable? I'm glad the rover is going all the way around to give us a complete view. Rover selfie. It's actually 74 different pictures, but who's counting? Ever the hard worker, Curiosity was doing some drilling on the Kimberly, but now it's time to move on. The wheel wear is still a bit of an issue, so the NASA scientists are having the rover take a smoother route. A tip of the hat to you, NASA scientists. It was getting rather bumpy. See that rocky area? I vote we avoid that. Well, I didn't expect this, but we seem to be stuck in some deep sand. We avoided the rocks, and now we are in sand. Never a dull moment on the rover. Luckily, the sand was no match for Curiosity, in AutoNav no less. She really is so cool. And just in time to arrive at Wild Rose. Isn't that a pretty name? This appears to be the entrance to Hidden Valley. Should we go in? Hidden Valley, here we come. Unfortunately, this place is so sandy that the wheels are sinking in quite a bit. See what I mean? We went back to the entrance of Hidden Valley to snap this picture of the wheel tracks. Next stop, Upheaval Dome. Does anyone else think that sounds kind of ominous? Today's itinerary calls for a walkabout. Sounds like fun. The rover is going to survey the area by taking one lap around Pahrump Hills, then going back to target certain areas for further scientific evaluation. She's so smart. And such a conscientious worker. Now we're looping back and retracing our path, stopping for scientific experiments along the way. Straight ahead, see that valley? It's called Artist's Drive. I know it looks close, but it will take us 25 days to get there. Let's go! Here we are in the valley. Oh, look there to your right. That rock formation is called Wacoba, and straight ahead is the entrance of Eaton Canyon. We reverse course and continue on to Mariah's Pass. We'll spend 10 days in lovely Mariah's Pass and have lots of pictures to show from it. Curiosity took this three-dimensional NavCam video of Apakuni Mountain. She's quite the videographer. And more pictures of Apakuni Mountain. This time, 113 photos. I think Curiosity really liked Apakuni Mountain. And I don't blame her. It's gorgeous. And here we have another panoramic view of Lincoln in an area called the Badlands due to its rocky nature. I say we avoid going into the Badlands. Today we move along to Big Sky. After several days of collecting drill samples, the rover decides to take an 84 image mosaic of herself. Looking good, Curiosity. Over the next few days, Curiosity examines the surroundings around Abinab and then makes an about face and heads toward High Dune. Sounds good to me. After navigating around the sandy surface, we finally arrived at the edge of Namib Dune. And here she is on Namib Dune, an 84 image mosaic of beauty. As she continues to analyze the sands of Mars, she stops to take one last panoramic photo before leaving Namib Dune. Although there is so much more to see of Gale Crater, for now this is the end of our journey on Mars. Thank you for riding along.